Buying or selling a home can be a daunting process, but with the help of an experienced professional, you can save time and money. For most people, a home is the biggest purchase they'll ever make. Having a knowledgeable expert will help you secure the best deal and avoid delays or costly mistakes.
Hi, I'm Nikki. I am an agent partner with Levian Texas at Keller Williams. I'm a real estate agent. I help buyers and sellers find the perfect space here in the state of Texas. Any buyer or seller would want to do their due diligence and do research to find an experienced realtor, because they're the ones that are going to be able to help you whether the market is challenging or really hot, whether there's going to be 15 offers on a property or maybe just one. You want to be able to navigate whatever flow that market is currently in. And if you have a person that's been experienced in the good and the challenging markets, you're really going to come across more successful and have a better opportunity to a successful close.
Financing a new home or refinancing your current home can be a complex process. An experienced lender can expedite the process and introduce you to unique mortgage options.
My name is Troy Turner, and I'm a senior mortgage advisor with Fairway Independent Mortgage. I guide home buyers through the home buying process. So whether they're first-time home buyers, seasoned vets, or real estate investors looking to build wealth, or even somebody just trying to refinance their house, I go out and find the perfect financing options to meet their needs. So anytime you're hiring any kind of service advisor, you want somebody that knows what they're doing and can get the job done. You want to make sure they have all the tools in their tool belt, and more importantly, knows how to use them.
Housing markets are always changing. By using an experienced professional who has endured both buyers and sellers markets, they can assure you'll get the best deal.
In a challenging market, I think it's really important, especially to be working with an experienced realtor who really has a good working relationship with other vendors that you're going to be utilizing during a transaction, whether that's a lender, whether that is a home inspector, an appraiser. All of these people kind of work together in a challenging market to kind of help you overcome any potential obstacle that you could face. My advice is to interview at least 3 people. Even if you're going to choose me, people like to go with family members or with friends that they've known forever. If you got put into a situation with that particular person in a transaction that became suddenly difficult, would your relationship survive after that difficult transaction? Would you still be able to have a great family relationship? Would you still be able to have? And so you have to kind of take all of those pieces into consideration when you're looking for the perfect realtor.
Finding the best lender is about more than just securing the lowest interest rate. It's also important to make sure you're comfortable with the company that's originating the loan.
One of the benefits of having a local mortgage advisor is being able to pick up the phone and actually get a hold of somebody that's there to answer your questions, and somebody you can build a relationship with. My advice to first home buyers would be not to assume that you can't buy a home. Even if you think your credit score is too low or you haven't saved up enough money, make sure you find an advisor that can guide you through the process and let you know what you can afford. What makes Nikki so great? She truly has a big heart. She has her client's best interests at heart. She is a master negotiator. Her communication skills are off the chart.
Troy was one of the first lenders I partnered with when I moved back to Texas, and he was incredible. I was completely blown away by the fact that he was so responsive, like even on the weekends. I think Troy called me back like on a Saturday night, and he was like in the middle of family activity, but he was still willing to help, put my mind at ease over something that was a potential obstacle, and we had no problem closing. And it was just like that communication sets him apart above and beyond any other lender that I've ever worked with. We have literally someone in every single city in the state of Texas that works for the Moats team, which is actually pretty cool. I mean, we can pool from all different kinds of resources. So if I have someone that has a buyer in Austin that's looking to buy a home in Dallas-Fort Worth, and I'm listing that home, then I can absolutely be like, hey, and reach out to people on my team. We just have a really good network of people. A portion of every commission that comes to our team is actually given back to a charity at the choice of the client at close. And it's just our way of thanking the community for allowing us to be part of their lives.
If you're looking for more information about home buying, visit their website, nikkihats.com. For financing options, visit troyturner.com or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.